Now, the final award for the evening, Excellence in Caravan and RV Manufacturing. I invite Jason Graham, the National Sales Manager for Integrated OE, to the stage to assist with this award. Jason Graham, National Sales Manager, Integrated OE. Jason, final award for the night, the finalists.
Thank you and welcome. The finalists for this, for the Excellence in Caravan and RV Manufacturing: Masterpiece Caravans, Opus or Purple Line Opus, Nova Caravans, Titanium Caravans, and Urban Caravans. And the winner is Nova Caravans.
Photo first. Nova Caravans team. Okay, this is the difficult one. Microphone is all yours.
Thank you. Woo! Oh my God. I know. How many times have we won one of these? 3 times now? 3 times. What an amazing team. Very grateful and proud to have a dedicated team like you guys. This award is a credit to each and every one of you, and well done. Would you believe it? The phone's ringing. John Seals. Special mention to John Seals, David DeHoos, and my wonderful wife Louise, who couldn't be here tonight. To Daniel, your team have done a fantastic job in organising this great night. To the sponsors, thank you. We thank all our suppliers who have stuck by us during the COVID, which was a difficult time for us. Without your trust and belief in us, we wouldn't be standing here today. Thank you very much. To our dealership network, thank you for your continual support. Congratulations to all the other winners and finalists. Thank you, guys.